Jai Sri Gurudev. Good afternoon, dear children. I hope you are all safe by staying the home. Dear children, in the last class, we discussed about the formulas of the permutations and combinations, along with the properties of the addition and multiplication property of the permutations and combinations also we learned. Yes or no, children? Yes. So, along with that, in this class, we should learn about the properties of the permutations and the combinations we have to be discussed now. Yes. So dear children, already we know about the n factorial. Yes, what is the n factorial, children? That is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into s into and so on into 3 into 2 into 1 we should begin. Yes or no, children? Yes. So this is a first property we have to be consider this. Yes. So next, second one is, now we are taking as a permutations will becomes as a n we are taking now. Yes. So then s, so n we are considering as a properties will becomes in that is, and r is a, how many chances is it? Yes. So possible conditions is a we are considering now. Yes. So that is, now npr is equals to npr is equals to n factorial by n minus p factorial. Okay. Yes. That is npr is equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Sorry. Yes. N factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay. So for example, we are having that just now we discussed in the previous classes how many students is the selection is possible is there. Okay. So it means is a total 10 girls is there and 8 boys is there, then total will become 18 is there. Means is it 18 will become his number of students. Yes, number of students will become is it n. That is equals to 18. Yes. So now we are selecting as a leaders will become is a boys only I am selecting now. Okay, boys how much actually 8 members is there. Yes or no? So then that is 18 as 18 permutations is, and I am selecting the boys will becomes the means is 8 is equals to, okay, by applying it 18 p 8 is equals to 18 factorial divided by 18 minus 8 factorial. Okay, yes. So it's equals to, that is 18 into 17 into 16. Okay, so like this is that how much you should be getting, children? That is 15, 14, 13, 12 into 11 into 10 factorial I will take. Because of here is 18 minus 8 will becomes how much you should be getting, children? 10 factorial we should be getting. Yes, so 10 factorial is it will be, remove that means is by product of the value how much you should be getting, that is a permutation of the choosing the selection of the students we can be say that is. Yes. So as well as now here is the children, here then r will become 6, that is 0 is less than or equal to r is less than n we should be getting. Yes. So this is about the property of the second one in the permutations and the combinations. Come to the third property now. Yes. So what the third property means in that is, if you are taking as a n permutations of s, n permutations is it for stitching a flower or to arrangement is it flowers in the circular order. Yes. So that can be called as a circular permutations. Yes. So circular permutations is that how should we take that means is, yes. So for example, n flowers is that we are stitching in the days. Okay. Yes. N flowers we are stitching in the days. Then how many circular is it permutations is possible means is that is npn by n we should be get. Okay. How many circular permutations is possible, children? That is npn by n factors we should be get. Yes. So this is it one formula, and as well as the next one is the fourth one becomes is, yes. For example is we have to be arrange some of the flower beds only, or is any necklace arrangements only. We want to be arranged as a circular means is As if you are having z, n bits will become z means is, then how much is z possible means is, that is 1 by 2 of n minus 1 factorial is it possible. Okay, as so circular permutations are z. If you want to be arrange it as a stitching of the flowers in the line as to arrange it means is, we should be taking as a npn by n. As we actually understand now, these are the properties of the permutations and combinations. Okay, so now we are going to the problem from the some of the 8 permutations is, okay, once you want to be observed, find the value of n. Here is n minus 1, p of 3 is to np4 is equals to 1 by 9. We have to be find the value of n. Okay, so dear children, once you want to be observed, that is n minus 1 p of 3 divided by np4 is equals to 1 by 9. As so then here is n minus 1 p of 3 will become side. It can be start from the n minus 2. How many times you want to be write this line? How many numbers you want to be decrease it? 3 times only. Okay, so that is n minus 1 is the first into n minus 2 into n minus 3. Okay, so 3 is your solution here is, so that's why we have to be decrease the terms will becomes as a 3 numbers only we want to be find it, that is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 divided by np4 means is it n honors we want to be short, that is one term is we want to be decrease it, as one number we want to be decrease it. How many numbers we want to be write this line? 4 we want to be write. Yes, so that is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. S is equals to 1 by 9. As once you want to visit, what is the same is here, you have to cancellation children, in that is n minus 1, n minus 1. As so numerator we are having the 1 by n is equals to 1 by 9. So by taking the cross multiplication will become is n is equals to 9. As they should understand now. I hope you are all understand about this concept regarding this class. If you are having any doubt, please contact to me. And what are sending the homework and the classwork must have to be complete within the time and send through WhatsApp to me. Thank you, Jay Sri.